What's going on, guys? Hope you guys doing amazing. You're doing fantastic. It is about that time. Thanksgiving is almost coming up, which means that my challenge is coming to an end. Now, today you won't find out exactly where I am. Next week, though, you're going to find out exactly if I made it or I didn't make it. But today, what we're going to talk about is the next challenge we're going to be doing. I'm going to be doing. And this challenge is about my flexibility. Now, I've never been able to do a straddle or side split ever. I was garbage. This challenge is going to be exciting for me because I'm going to see how far I can take it in 1 month. So let's get started. Let's talk about it. So like I said, this challenge is going to be about doing the side splits or the straddle split. All right. So this split is not as easy as some people make it seem. Like we see gymnasts, they'll say, oh man, they do side split, they make it look so easy. Ballerinas, martial artists, or some are martial artists, make it seem so easy. It's not that easy. So I'm going to take this challenge on, and in 1 month, we're going to see how close I can get. So this is how I look right now. This is as low as I can go. And this is lower than I've ever been able to go. Because trust me, this thing just been garbage. I've been able to do the front splits, the regular splits, before when I was younger. I can't go anywhere close to doing it now. Maybe I'll throw that into another challenge later on. Or maybe this challenge will take care of that too. I don't know. But I'm going to be doing 2 specific exercises, which is internal rotation of the hip and external rotation of the hips. And it looks something like this. Internal rotation, I'll be using the bands and not using the bands. It honestly doesn't matter for this specific thing that I'm doing. So I'll be using mostly the bands like you see on your screen. And then I'm gonna make sure that I can get as low as possible. Goal is to be in a full straddle split or side split. That's the goal. So we'll see exactly how that pans out. So like I said, next week next week's video, you're gonna find out if I made the 175 or not. I'm not gonna tell you what I am right now. I'm not gonna tell you, but we're gonna find out exactly if I made it or not. So it's been a couple of weeks, a few weeks rather, and I've been doing pretty decently. Like I told you guys on my birthday week, on my birthday weekend rather, I had a great surprise. My wife really did it and did it well. So that weekend wasn't really. It was a bad weekend, but nonetheless, I will still make my goal. So next week, you guys are gonna find out: is it possible? Is it possible, even with a cheat weekend? Is it possible to lose 20, almost 30 pounds? Basically 20 pounds in 1 month. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I know there's not much into it, but I'm excited for what's about to come because I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys exactly what it's like to strengthen your body and to gain flexibility at the same time, and also to lose weight. Guys, losing weight it's not hard. It just takes some dedication and it takes some knowledge, right? So next week will be an interesting week. Not only will I expose if I was able to achieve the weight loss that I first set out, or the goal that I first set out to achieve or accomplish, but we're also going to talk about the next challenge I'm going to take on, and we're gonna start that challenge on that day as well. So hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, share, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya. Bye.